What if I told you that 2025 is the year that separates the wealthy from the rest? All because of one thing: artificial intelligence. It's not about coding or becoming a data scientist. It's about mastering the right AI skills that the rich are quietly using to multiply their income, automate businesses, and dominate the digital economy. Stick around, because we're diving into 9 essential AI skills you need to master if you want to build real wealth in the new era. Before we begin, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. This channel is your shortcut to financial freedom, smart investing, and future-ready skills. Let's go. 1. Prompt engineering. Skill number 1. Prompt engineering. This is the new literacy of the digital age. If you know how to communicate with AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Midjourney, you can write ads, build websites, brainstorm business ideas, and automate writing with just a few words. Mastering prompts means making AI work for you, saving time, boosting creativity, and unlocking income. Want to sell digital products? Market on social media? Build an email list? Prompt engineering is the backbone to AI-powered content creation. Next up, AI-powered content creation. The fastest-growing brands in 2025, most of them are powered by AI. From video scripts and captions to blog posts, newsletters, and thumbnails, AI tools are making it 10x faster. Learn how to use tools like ChatGPT for writing, Canva AI for design to script or runway, ML for video editing. This isn't about cheating, it's about leveraging tools to scale smarter. 3. AI marketing automation. Skill number 3. AI marketing automation. Marketing is how you get rich, and AI is how you do it without burning out. Email sequences, ad copy, audience segmentation, A/B testing, all powered by tools like Jasper or HubSpot AI. Imagine running an entire marketing campaign while you sleep. That's the level of automation that's making people wealthy. For AI investing tools. Skill number 4. Using AI to make smarter investments. You don't need to be Warren Buffett. Platforms like FinChat, AlphaSense, and AI-enhanced trading bots now give retail investors access to the same kind of insights hedge funds use. If you can analyze risk, read market sentiment, and move with data, you're 10 steps ahead. Learn to filter noise with AI tools, and you'll protect and grow your money. 5. AI for e-commerce. Skill number 5. AI for e-commerce. From writing product descriptions to handling customer service chats, AI is transforming Shopify and Amazon stores. Research, run targeted ads, and manage your inventory efficiently. If you want to sell anything online, physical or digital, AI can help you do product. The richest e-commerce sellers in 2025 won't be the ones with the best products. They'll be the ones with the best systems. Powered by AI. 6. AI for financial planning. Skill number 6. Using AI for personal finance and planning. Apps like Clio, YNAB, and even ChatGPT-based planners can now help you track spending, optimize taxes, and automate investments. Knowing how to set up and tweak these tools gives you a clear financial roadmap, so your money is working even when you're not. 7. AI for freelancers and solopreneurs. Skill number 7. AI to run a one-person business. Freelancers who know how to use AI are charging more and delivering faster. AI can help you write proposals, analyze client data, schedule social media, create custom reports. You can be a one-person army with the efficiency of a full agency. 8. AI-driven research and idea generation. Skill number 8. AI-driven research. Whether you're starting a YouTube channel, launching a startup, or investing in crypto, AI tools like Perplexity, ChatGPT, plugins, and Google Gemini help you gather, summarize, and test ideas lightning fast. The faster you research, the quicker you move. And in 2025, speed is money. 9. AI ethics and human touch. Finally, skill number 9. Knowing when to add the human touch. AI is powerful, but trust is still human. Knowing when to inject personality, empathy, and emotional intelligence into your brand or content. That's what will make you stand out. The future isn't just AI-driven, it's AI plus you. Conclusion. In 2025, the wealthiest people won't be the smartest, they'll be the most adaptable. If you learn these 9 AI skills now, you're not just keeping up. Hit the like button to help more future millionaires find it. You're leading the pack. Liked this video? Subscribe if you're ready to dominate the new economy. Drop a comment. Which AI skill will you learn first? Let's build wealth, one skill at a time.